Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on LinkedIn. So it's really simple. This is an important step, especially if you run a business or manage a Shopify store, because it adds an extra layer of protection to your account and helps prevent unauthorized access. Just click on your profile, then from here, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where you control your account and security options. Now choose Sign In and Security, and from here, click on Two-Factor Authentication, so click on it. This section is dedicated to keeping your account safe, and from here, you can set your two-factor authentication by your phone number or authentication code from your mobile. So click on Setup. LinkedIn gives you two options, so you can choose what's most convenient for you. And from here, you can choose Authenticator app or phone number. So let's say I'm going to choose phone number SMS. This means LinkedIn will send a code to your phone every time you sign in from a new device. Then click Continue, and you need to choose your country from here. So I'm going to quickly find and type your phone number. You also need to type your LinkedIn password. This confirms it's really you making the change. Then click Send Code. So now, you need to go to your mobile and copy the code you got from LinkedIn. So I'm going to write it here, so like this, and then click Authenticate. As you can see, two-factor authentication is now on. So we'll send authentication code to your phone number ending, and this is your ending of your phone number. From now on, even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to log in without that code. So this is how you can enable two-factor authentication on LinkedIn. It only takes a minute, but it can save you from losing access to your account or business connections. Thanks for watching. Securing your accounts is one of the smartest moves you can make as a business owner, and this small step can save you from big problems down the road. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a like. It really supports the channel. And if you're building a Shopify store or growing an online business, make sure you subscribe for more simple, practical tips you can use right away. I'll see you in the next video.